the channel. My name is Katie. This is my kitchen. And today, don't mind those groceries on the floor. It's been a hectic day. It's been a hectic week. And I feel like I say that a lot. And I feel like I live my life pegged. If you know what that means, you know what that means. I live my life pegged to the max. And one of these days I'm gonna catch my breath. Today's not that day. So we're not even taking off our jacket, except we're just adding a mic. That's all we're doing today. Not taking off my purse, none of that stuff. So this morning it snowed a lot. The roads were treacherous. Had to leave early to get my kids to their school. They go to community day one day a week before you guys start panicking. Because some of you guys panic when I talk about sending my kids to school. I send them to community day one day a week, and there's teachers there for each grade level, and they get to go be with their other homeschooled peers, and they get to do activities, science, history, and art, and different things like that. So it's been wonderful for them. It's been wonderful for the family because we moved to a new town, and I don't have a support system. We don't have a support system here at all. So it's nice to have one day a week where the kids can go and engage and be with other people. We also do other extracurricular activities and field trips and things like that. But it's nice that we have the community day so that I can have one day where I can recover some of my brain cells. And Bodhi and I can spend some time together. He's our youngest, he's 4 years old. It's been really wonderful. And it's been great for the kids to have other adults in their life to shape them, because we don't have that many people in our life. And I'm working on that. It's been a trying time. And Aaron and I now realize what we had in Klamath, which we realized when we were leaving, but now we feel like we want to go back because that's where our community is. That's where our people are. And I just realized this is lopsided. And it's been a challenge. So the community day has been wonderful. That's where the kids are today. They're doing all of their holiday parties. I dropped them off, came home for about 45 minutes, took care of some things around here, loaded the stove. Then I had PT, so I took Bodhi with me to PT, and he sat and he was very well behaved there while I did my PT. And then got done with that, and we went to the toy store because he needed to do his Secret Santa shopping. And if you guys have been watching all my videos, I've been trying to take the kids Secret Santa shopping. And I managed to take 4 kids in one day, but some of them didn't get anything for their Secret Santa, but I managed it, right? And that was the same day I had to take Aaron to urgent care because he threw his back out. And everything's just been kind of hectic and a mess ever since. So took Bodhi today, got his Secret Santa gift, stopped by the mailbox on our way home, and I'm gonna unbox these boxes with you. This one is from the Collagen Co., which I've already tried their products and I love them. This is the Collagen Co. Glow Shakes. This is the Violet Crumble. It is so delicious. It's from Australia. So it's Australia's Violet Crumble, whatever that is. It tastes amazing. It almost tastes like a cupcake or something. But it has 17,500 milligrams of collagen peptides per serving, which is what I'm looking for because we need collagen. If you're getting old, if you're in your 30s or above, you need collagen because your body stops making it. So if you're not getting it in your bone broth and things like that, then buy some collagen powder and incorporate it in your coffees, your smoothies, whatever. It has 25 vitamins and minerals, low calorie, low sugar, nutritionally delicious meals. It says it's a meal replacement shake, but I drink it in addition to meals. I drink it as a dessert. I just try to get one of these in whenever I can because you guys know that I struggle with some stomach digestive health issues, and I've really struggled to stay well nourished through all of this. And some days, some months, most months, there are periods of time throughout the month that I cannot eat and I have to be on a liquid diet or I have to eat very minimally. These meal replacement shakes have helped out tremendously. So I grabbed the chocolate mint milkshake, and this is going to be delicious. These are not dairy free. So that is the only pitfall, is if you're dairy free and you can't have dairy, this has dairy in it. And so I've made an exception to my rule to be dairy free to drink these because it has 25 vitamins and minerals, collagen, and it's a full meal replacement shake. So it helps me get in the extra calories that I need, the extra nutrition that I need when I can't have a regular meat and potatoes diet. So a lot of days I can only eat small amounts of food at a time, and I can do more liquids than I can solid foods. So on those days, I will drink the shakes. So this comes with a shaker bottle, just kind of neat and nifty. And I like to mix mine up with almond milk. Not sure how to get into here. 'Tis a mystery. La la la. I'm going to use the scoop from this one because I don't feel like digging around. Here we go. Got to be careful with that. And then I'll add some ice to it and shake it up even more. Chocolate peppermint. And the great thing about these shakes is they're not gritty. This tastes like if you melted mint chocolate chip ice cream in your bowl and then drank it like a milkshake. Amazing! Link to the Collagen Co. down in this video's description and discount code. Check it out. Get yourself some collagen, non-gritty drink. This is just like drinking a milkshake. I don't even need ice. I'm just gonna drink it before it even, I'm gonna drink it before it needs ice. So let me put my scoop back in the original container. And now I got my, they came out with this one and I had to try it, but the Violet Crumble is definitely my favorite. This is a close runner-up. I like both of them very much. I don't think you can go wrong with either one. And they also have these in clear drinks. So if you can't have cloudy drinks or milkshakey drinks, they have the collagen in different types of watered down clear drinks. So you can check those out as well. That is that. Now we're gonna get into this box. This is my box from Nutrimill, and I've got 8 minutes to share this box with you. This is what I purchased from the Nutrimill sale. I didn't need anything major, no big appliances, but if you do, enter my contest for sure, because my contest is live until the 20th I am picking a winner. So you might not have any days left. I'm not sure. It depends on when I get this video up. If not, I'll change it. Okay. I grabbed one of these silicone sourdough transporter things to my Dutch oven because I use parchment paper and there's no reason why I should be that wasteful. So I bought a reusable sourdough transfer device. And I'm only cooking one Dutch oven at a time. Previously, at my last house, I think I was able to fit 2 Dutch ovens in my oven at once because I had a pretty big size oven. This house, it's a very awkward oven and I don't want to deal with 2 Dutch ovens in my awkward oven. So, one silicone Silpat sourdough thing. And then I got an icing kit, and this comes with 12 reusable cupcake liners, a cleaning brush, an offset spatula, and 2 reusable piping bags. So I need to get the other disposable piping bags to go in here because I don't want to have to wash these out and do all that stuff. So I need to get the disposable bags to put in here, but it has all the tips and all the pieces and all the things. And I should have got that disposable tip. I should have got the disposable bags when I was at the dollar store the other day because I was looking at them, or when I was at the grocery store because I was looking at them recently at a store. And then this is the Spurtle from Nutrimill. Now this is a silicone spatula. It's a narrow blade. It's perfect for scraping, spreading, mixing, smoothing. So I got the Spurtle because they're awesome. And it's a stiff Spurtle. So you can use this in your sourdough starter, your sourdough leaven. You can help mix your dough with this. It's going to be awesome. So I got a spurtle, and these are surprisingly inexpensive, as well as all of these products on the Nutrimill website. So I definitely recommend that you get them, or go check out the Nutrimill website, because they are still having their holiday sales, and the Nutrimill grain mills are restocking. So you have to check back every day or click the sign up for their email notifications so that you get emailed if you are wanting to get a Nutrimill grain mill or one of their Bosch mixers or whatever is out of stock. Go ahead and sign up for their email notifications if that's available to you, and sign up for that so you can get your Nutrimill stuff. But in lieu of all that, they have amazing kitchen gadgets and kitchen products. So that's what I picked up today. And I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in this video. I'm a disheveled mess. It's just the way it is. I'm gonna go pick up the kids, bring them home, feed them real quick, and then we're going to jujitsu. I don't know how y'all do it, because I guess because I homeschool my kids and they're with me all day, every day, and we have the constant chaos of their messes and the meals and everything all day long, that I feel overwhelmed. But I'm sure if I sent them to school and I dealt with all the messes and was able to make my, my slow cooker, whatever, all these things, then I probably wouldn't feel so frazzled and disheveled sometimes. But I homeschool, and I'm doing my best to teach these 5 kids how to be wonderful human beings, and it's really hard. Sometimes I think about sending them to school where they will have multiple adults pouring into them, but of course it'll be in competition with many other students, so that's kind of a challenge. But we're thriving. The people at PT said that Bodhi was one of the best behaved children that they've ever seen, and honestly, we get that all the time with our kids. Anytime we're out in public, we get complimented on how well behaved our children are, because we have in tow with us 5 kids. Whether it's one kid or all 5 kids, they behave really well, and people compliment us on that. So I'm doing something right. I might feel like I'm struggling, and I might feel like this ship is sinking. Many days I feel like that. Today I feel like that. Today I kind of feel rattled, tattered, and a bit broken and a bit defeated. But it's okay, because I keep rising, and we're just on to the next thing. It is 1:57. I have to leave and go pick up my children, but at least we got to unbox this stuff. I got to chat with you for a while and kind of say what's on my mind this Vlogmas, and I appreciate you guys being here with me. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'm gonna go ahead and post this probably today, because I don't have time to edit any other of my footage, so the Vlogmas is gonna be a little out of order. And I'm gonna post this today, and then you will get the vlogs with the shop with me's with my other kids. We had a really good time. So I will share all that with you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this Vlogmas. Yes, I'm a mess, it's okay. Hot Mess Express, squirrel with ADD. Look at how good I'm moving though. Look at how good this body's moving. I am moving. Woohoo, I can twist. I'm twisting now. I'm lifting now. Life's good. And that's what I have to remind myself. On hard days like today, thank you, Jesus, I can move. And I can drive in the car to pick up my kids, and I can take care of my family. Because 4 months ago, 5 months ago, I was not functioning. I was not okay. And I had that surgery, and I am doing so good now. And I have to remind myself of that I am able-bodied. And seeing my husband in so much pain also makes me realize that, wow, I can't believe that I went through that for as long as I did, and I did not accept surgery sooner. I did not want to go to a neurosurgeon previously because I had babies, and I was so afraid of having surgery and not being able to take care of my family that I just refused for a long time. And now I'm just on the road to recovery still. I'm recovering from spine surgery, but I'm doing really well. I'm still weak, but things are getting better. And that's my update. So I got to remind myself, now I've made a huge mess in my kitchen and I got to leave. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.